Yon World, what's the deal? It's your boy, Original. Today on my YouTube channel, I gotta share something with y'all. The title of this video is gonna be Find Your Tribe and the Masses Will Follow. Now, what do I mean by find your tribe? I believe everybody on earth, no matter who you are, no matter what you into, you know what I'm saying? No matter what your beliefs are in life, everybody on earth has 200,000 loyal people. Everybody. Like, it's 7 billion people on earth, but everybody has 200,000 people that fuck with them heavy. I'm talking about heavy, like loyal, ride or die, go anywhere you go, believe anything you do, everything you say is correct. It's 200,000 people out there, you know what I'm saying, that'll support you in whatever you do. Now the goal is to find those people and to gather those people up on a platform, or, you know, whether it's a mailing list, whether it's a customer database, whatever your database is, you got to gather all those people up, you know what I'm saying, so you can remarket to them, so you can brand yourself to them. But what happens when you do that, what happens when you gather all of these people up, when you build a following of 200,000 people, is that the masses come. Now, it's this thing that all humans do. Like me, some of y'all gotta know about me. Like, I love studying human behavior. Like, I love knowing what make people tick. I love knowing why people act in a certain way. I just love human behavior, learning how to influence it, learning, you know, the power of influence, you know, just how to leave good impressions on people. I like studying human behavior, the mind, psychology, things like that, right? And you would know, like, in our society, this is one thing, it's called conformity. Now, a lot of people conform, you know what I'm saying? This all got to do with, you know, find your tribe and the masses will follow. Once you find your tribe of 200,000 people, they know people, they connected to people, and it's easier for your influence to spread across to the masses. Now, you get 200,000 people, you do something influential enough to your following where everybody's sharing it at the same time, you could spark a moment that the masses recognize you. You understand what I'm saying? And that could be with anything. That could be with your brand. You know what I'm saying? I'm really referring to like online business, e-commerce. You know, if you're building a network of you know what I'm saying, like things for product development, things for your business, for real. Like, that's what I'm referring to. Like, you build up this network of people. You could be a movement, political campaign. I don't know what y'all into, for real. You know, but I'm referring to money. You know, that's what I'm mainly referring to, like money. If you build up a following, 200,000 people, it could change your life. It could really change your life. It could put you in a whole new direction. So, this is my belief. Quick little video for y'all. But let me know what y'all think. Right now, I'm building up my loyal 200,000 subscribers. Now, even though I got 20K right now, I think only about 2,000 of y'all loyal, you know, and that's just to be honest. But yeah, man, once you build up to 200K on any platform, you are it's easier for you to influence. It's easier for you to get your message out. It's easier for you to spread your brand to all of these different platforms and these networks. And that's what you want to do. You want to keep expanding. And I just think 200K is that threshold for anybody. Like, once you get to that point, everybody start fucking with you. Like, everybody. Like, you gonna get so many different platforms wanting to collab and merge and work with you, that your network gonna grow, you know. But 200K is the sweet spot. Once you get 200,000 loyal followers, just letting y'all know this, man. And I want that to be the goal for everybody. But You know, that's definitely my goal, to work on this 200,000 people, because there's 7 billion people in the world. 200,000 fuck with you. You just gotta find them, you gotta organize them, you gotta be monetized, you gotta be ready for the wave, because, you know, a lot of people want some shit, but they ain't prepared for it. So that's why I'm just trying to get y'all prepared for it. So when you get to this threshold of 200K, you gotta realize what's about to happen. Like, the fucking floodgates are about to open, and you about to get everything you want. So, yeah, it's your boy Yon World though, man. What y'all think about that? That's just how I view it. I know y'all probably see it different, but it's my channel. I gotta put out some content. Oh yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Oh yeah, I forgot. I'm gonna do this video. I be forgetting to do videos. I be doing something. Well, I'm gonna do this video where I give a tour of my apartment. I believe I have what's called a minimalist apartment. So I'm about to just go in on that and you know, be talking crazy on that and do a little video and show y'all my minimalist apartment. You know what I'm saying? Them videos get a lot of hits on the tube. I like this area in the crib too. We be recording right here off the mat. Me and my boy Jimmy. Where you at, man? How to make a video of 10 minutes. Just keep playing. Just keep it rolling. This how I be on YouTube, like looking for angles and shit, like, what's up, Yon World? The video over, but these the bloopers. Video been over. But you just need 200K, man. I'm trying to tell y'all, like, how many times I gotta walk around my apartment for y'all to get the clue? You know, you need 200K, man. 200K. You know what I'm talking about? And the mass is gonna swarm me in like the FBI raid, boy. SWAT team, boy. But trash on my floor. I got that cleaning disorder shit. I always be cleaning. Look at this. I don't eat the bottoms on my biscuits. And this video for my loyal fan base, y'all, you know what I'm saying? People that really fuck with me, they like watching little stupid shit like this. So, you know, most people gonna watch the video at the beginning, watch the first 5 minutes, probably click off, but you were here with me. And you already know your boy Yon World about to throw ads to this motherfucker, because this my business, this my network, and my channel, man. You know what I'm saying? At the most, you watch TV. You know what I'm saying? How long TV be playing for? About 3 minutes, 4-5 minutes before you see a commercial? Well, that's what you gonna do on Yon World. And they do that, they stretch that shit for a whole 30 minutes, don't they? But yeah, it's your boy. I would on camera, but you know what I'm saying, I want to be monetized forever on YouTube, forever, ever, and ever. You know, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just walking around this. I should have kept talking, but that's the thing with YouTube. Like, when you sometimes, like when you do it like me and it's unscripted, and you just on here, you lose your train of thought, bro. Like, you lose your train of thought. You be like, damn, I was about to say some out cold shit. You just lose your train of thought. So that's what happened to me. So y'all seen it live in person. We still gotta do the video though. We still gotta produce. We still gotta put this out. But like I said, this video is kind of like an example. Like, If this video ever get a lot of views, y'all was my loyal. Y'all the people that really fuck with me just to even watch it up to the 10-minute mark, because y'all already know how your boy Yon World be doing. So make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. I'm out. Peace.